Addmotor motan electric tricycle 101, Addmotor electric trikes for adults. The Addmotor motan electric tricycle is a popular electric trike known for its stability, comfort, and versatility. Here are some details about the Addmotor motan electric tricycle. Features *1. 3-wheel design. The trike features a stable 3-wheel design, making it easier to balance and maneuver compared to traditional bicycles. 2. Electric motor assistance, equipped with a powerful electric motor to assist with pedaling, providing extra propulsion and making it suitable for riders of various fitness levels. 3. Long range. Depending on the model and battery capacity, the Addmotor motan electric tricycle can have a range of up to 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, ideal for longer rides and commutes. 4. Cargo capacity. Many models come with ample cargo space, including a large rear basket or cargo area, allowing riders to transport groceries, luggage, or other items conveniently. 5. Comfortable riding experience, designed with ergonomic features such as a wide, padded seat, adjustable handlebars, and a relaxed riding position for enhanced comfort during long rides. 6. Safety features, equipped with features such as LED lights, reflectors, and disc brakes for improved visibility and safety on the road, especially in low light conditions. 7. LCD display, includes an LCD display panel for monitoring speed, battery level, distance traveled, and other important information. 8. Throttle control and pedal assist, offers both throttle control and pedal assist modes, allowing riders to choose between pure electric power, pedal assistance, or a combination of both. Cons and known issues *1. Weight. Electric trikes tend to be heavier than traditional bicycles, which can make them more challenging to transport and store. 2. Price. The initial cost of electric trikes, including the Addmotor motan, can be higher compared to traditional bicycles due to the electric components and features. 3. Limited terrain. While suitable for paved roads and urban environments, electric trikes may not perform as well on rough terrain or steep hills. Pro tips for getting started *1. Read the manual. Familiarize yourself with the user manual to understand how to operate and maintain your Addmotor motan electric tricycle properly. 2. Practice riding. Spend some time practicing riding your electric tricycle in a safe and open area to get used to its handling and features before venturing onto busy streets or crowded areas. 3. Charge regularly. To ensure maximum battery life and performance, charge your electric tricycle regularly, especially if it's been sitting unused for an extended period. 4. Safety gear. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including a helmet and reflective clothing, when riding your electric tricycle, and follow traffic laws and regulations. Alternatives *1. Other electric trike brands. Explore other electric tricycle brands such as Pedgo, Schwinn, and Trirad for alternative options with similar features and functionalities. 2. Electric bicycles, e-bikes. Consider electric bicycles as an alternative to electric trikes if you prefer a 2-wheel design or need a more compact and lightweight option. 3. Traditional bicycles. If you're comfortable with a standard bicycle, you may opt for a traditional bike instead of an electric tricycle for a more affordable and streamlined riding experience. Before purchasing an Addmotor motan electric tricycle or any other electric vehicle, it's essential to research thoroughly, read reviews, and consider your specific needs and preferences to ensure you select the right option for you.